everybody, how you doing today? So I've got my little nephew here, Christian. You gonna say hi to everybody? So a few months ago, you wanted to plant some peas, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what did we do? Plant some peas? And where are they? Right here? So these are the peas we planted. Look at them all. Who says you can't grow indoors in the wintertime, right, Chrissy Bear? Look at this, we have lots of peas. There's one here, we might pick this one. They're not doing too well, they're not doing too bad, they're about halfway. Got a whole bunch of new flowers here. So he's gonna pick one here, try it out. There you go, you wanna eat it up? Show everybody your delicious fresh picked peas? Well, I'll help you here. We gotta open it up so we can get the insides, right?
Yeah.
There we go. We got 3 peas in this one. He's excited, aren't you? Excited to eat some fresh peas? So he came to me a few months ago, he's like, Uncle Johnny, let's plant some peas. So that's what we did. So we got some more here. They go really slow. Ideally, you probably want to use some fertilizer, organic fertilizer, to give some more nutrients to your plants indoors, but I haven't done that. The other thing I'm going to show you today as well, guys, is my indoor garden that I've done this winter. I've got some Salanova lettuces going. I've got some herbs I've started. So I'll show you those in a minute after I take a look at his peas. Should we see what else we have? Do you think there's any more, or is that it for right now?
Right.
I think that's it. We'll let them... Oh wait, here's one more. We'll give him one more pea because he loves them. Should I open it up again? Here we go. There you go. 2 more peas for you. How was that? Did it taste good? There we go. Okay, so there's a pea. So I'm going to bring up some of my herbs and stuff that I've been growing, and I'll show you guys that.
So guys, we have planted that didn't grow something. Yes.
So we planted a whole bunch of stuff and it grew, right? So what do you think we have here? So what I planted was some parsley quite a while ago. We got parsley. Do you want to smell it?
Yum.
What do you think? Yum. And some oregano.
I like oregano.
You like oregano? Smell that. And we got some sage here as well I planted. I don't really use sage, I'll probably sell it at the farmer's market. They're looking kind of scraggly. Oh, don't grab it. Don't grab it. How does it smell? Can you smell it? Sage, so I've got a bunch of sages here. And then basil. Do you like basil? I think Christian likes the smell of basil.
And guys,
Ready?
these plants didn't grow anything.
These plants didn't grow anything?
Yeah.
Why not?
I don't know.
You don't know? Neither do I. Should we show everybody the lettuces we planted too? The Salanova lettuces? Okay, I'll put this tray back and then I'll turn the camera around and show you guys all my Salanova lettuces there. And I've got some onions started and some other things too. So here we go. Here's my Salanova lettuces planted. The ones in the back pot here are doing really well. There's 3 in the big pot. I think it's a 3-gallon container I have it in. These ones I've done just smaller ones. And they're not doing well in the small pots. I think because the roots grow deeper and I haven't put any nutrients in. It's just the Pro Mix I've used. So I'm going to cut some of these guys up soon for my salads here. In here I got my ginger that I've been trying to grow. Trying to shoot up more ginger. It's a ginger I transplanted a while ago. I don't think it's really growing too well in here. Keeps dying off like this. I think it's too cold in here. And then as well, I've got my grapefruit tree. He's looking really nice. Getting really big. And then up here we have some more of my Salanova lettuces. And in here I've started some onions last night. Up here I've got onions I started as soon as I got back from Costa Rica. They're coming up nicely. And I've got some peppers I started in there. I'll see if I can move the stuff around to check. And then in here I've got my peppers started. Germination rate kind of sucks for these guys. They've been in here for a while, but they're slowly coming up all over the place. So we will hopefully get more germinated. If not, I'll plant some more. I've got so many seeds here. Here I've got some tarragon started. I've never grown tarragon before, but I've got a whole bunch of free seeds, so I'm trying that out. And some more tarragon over there. It's coming along quite nicely, actually. And then here I've got more oregano growing up. And then this is garlic chives.
Garlic chives?
Garlic chives, yeah. Okay, so there you go, guys. I just want to show you a quick little indoor winter garden that I've got going in here. Can't wait to cut into the lettuces. I don't really eat lettuces much in the winter because the stuff from the grocery store is crap. You buy it and it's rotten in 2 days, so That's why I planted these a few months ago, so I'd have some fresh lettuces. And he loves helping me, don't you? You love helping plant garden? Yeah. So once I'm done with this video here, guys, I'm gonna get some more basil started. I'm sure Christian will help me out because he likes to help plant stuff, which is awesome. Teaching the next generation on how to grow food, right? High five. There we go. So there you go, guys. Just a quick little update on what I'm doing here inside. Next few weeks I'll be getting more onions started and some other stuff that takes a bit longer. Some flowers as well for the garden to attract some more bees and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my videos around, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you all out there. Have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.